In this video, I'm going to show you how you can read any UL standard without having to pay for it. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to Google, just look for UL standard and hit enter, and go to this link right here that says purchase UL standards online. You need to click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to open up this page and ask you to sign in. If you don't have an account and this is your first time, then you might have to create an account. But since I already have an account, I am going to sign in using my credentials. Let's hit login, and once you are in, you can go to this search bar and look for any standard that you are looking for. I'm gonna type in UL 875 because that's what I am looking for. And once you do that, click on this search button, and then it will take you to the next web page. And once you are here, it's basically gonna show you all the editions of this standard. Looks like we have the 10th edition, which came out July 2024. Let's go there. I'm gonna click here and it's gonna open this window right here. You can click on digital view and then just scroll through the pages by clicking on this next button. You cannot jump to the, say if you want to go to 79 page number, you cannot just jump to that, but you have to go one by one. But the best way to do that is to go through the first few pages where you see the table of contents, and then make your way through following this table of contents to look for what you are exactly looking for. So this is a nice way of looking at the UL standards without having to pay for it, and I thought I'll share with you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.